this is a wonderful evening for us. This is the first time I've ever been to a county opportunity like this when you can actually talk to the employees that do the work.
Today we are hosting an open house for the county's capital planning process. We've invited the public to attend today to help provide feedback and input on our county projects and processes that support the neighborhoods that we live in.
One's earmarked for that already.
We have department representatives here that are able to answer any questions you might have on future and upcoming projects.
We've been wondering about expansion of the park facilities and some road issues in our neighborhood, and we've been able to talk to the people in charge of that.
We have a wide variety of activities, both inside and outside, including things like a fire truck. We've got from the probation department a drug sniffing dog.
And you're doing really well.
And these activities actually help show the public how the programs tie into the infrastructure that we plan on building over the next 5 years.
And in our coming capital plan, we're going to propose funding to advance many of parks initiatives to build new parks, open new recreational amenities, and new trails.
It's important to get public feedback so that the county's plans reflect the needs and priorities of the people who live here.